And another one. Another one. Another one. Look, it's still moving. Wow. It's breathing. The fish is breathing. Oh! Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. So for this vlog guys, I'm gonna take you to the lake because we are going fishing. So guys, kakaiba to siya na lake kasi nasa ibabaw siya ng mountain. So sasadyain mo talaga siya. We need to hike para lang mapuntahan yung lugar na yan. So sabi ni Mr. mas okay daw talaga na mag-fishing dyan kasi may chance na makakuha kami ng isda. Kaysa doon banda sa road, medyo maraming nag-fishing doon. So ayun, trinay naming pumunta. So and guys, samahan nyo kami sa aming pag-fishing. You scared the dog. Hello. Hi. Does it like you? We are ready to fish. Where are we going? What? Fishing. That is the biggest lake here in Sandoy, right? Yeah, that's the biggest lake. We're here and we're going fishing up there. We need to walk. This guy is so tired now. Oh. He's so tired. He doesn't want to walk. Yeah, you should give the backpack to Gumpay. The other guy he's there already. I'm still here. What? Careful. We are so slow. We are very slow. Bye, you can just sleep there. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. Hiking is real, huh? It's so heavy. It's a little bit heavy, that bag, right? Huh? But you get easily tired if you have that in your bag. I didn't know either. I told you it's quite far, but you agreed with your gumpe, so you did. Yeah, look at this. It's our view. Bye. So let's go. So this area guys, medyo mabato na. Kaya ayan, laban lang sa lakaran. So first time ko dito and first time kong ma-experience mag-fishing sa ibabaw ng bukid guys, sa ibabaw ng kabukiran dito sa Faroe Islands. Pero so far nag-enjoy naman ako. Medyo mahangin lang siya konti that day. Pero okay lang naman, kaya lang. Guys, right now we got one fish. One fish. Where is the violet? It's not that violet. It's moving. It is. So can you hold it? Or else the bird will get it. Put in the water.
Tiger fish.
Oh,
A tiger fish.
tiger fish. Camouflage fish.
No, tiger fish.
Can you wash the fish here?
No, that is gonna
Swim?
away.
You think so? Just wash the fish.
We can take water.
It's slimy.
Eat water. Eat it.
Drink it.
Drink it. Eat it.
Are you saving the fish?
It can move like a tiger fish.
Why?
I was
You're scared. Come on, take it.
not coming out of there.
It is. Can you bring the fish over there? Can you bring it? But the birds will eat it if you don't bring it and put it in the bag.
Can you take it?
Can you? No, this is hungry.
I don't want to be scared.
Okay, let me take this fish. Don't move, okay? Swimming. It's quite big. It's quite big, guys. Look. Blueberries. This is wild blueberries. And look, it looks like that. Where is it? So tiny. It's over there. Ayan, if you can see it. It's there, blueberries, and there's more here. So, ayan, very, very tiny. Wild blueberries from the nature. Can you take picture of it? No! Where are you eating? Magic flakes. Can you say magic flakes? Magic flakes. Yeah. Can you say it? Magic flakes.
Magic fish.
Can you say hello sa inyong lahat? Hello sa inyong lahat.
Hello sa
Inyong. Umater.
Hello sa umaga.
Hello sa inyong lahat. Or kumusta kayo?
Kayo?
Yeah.
Kumaka kayo?
Yeah, kumusta kayo? Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Okay, really, you missed it. Mag-ingat kayong lahat. Mag-ingat. Say, mag-ingat kayong lahat. Say, nakapag pabagabag. Naka
Baga.
pa Pag.
Bat.
Hiage. Pag.
Get.
Yeah. Nakapag. Pabagabag.
Bat.
Come on. Say salamat.
Salamat. Salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Yeah. What can you say about Magic Flakes?
Really good.
Yeah. The fish is like, save me. Guys, this is our catch. Look, and we will catch some more.
The other lake.
We will go to the other lake. So the sun is behind the clouds. Yeah. So we will walk.
A bird.
Where?
So yes guys, pumunta kami sa isa pang lake kung saan ka pwedeng mag-fishing, pero unfortunately cloudy na siya and nag-start ng umulan, so we decided to go home guys. So ayan na yung lake, medyo malaki siya, so fresh water yan siya guys. Ayan, we're on our way home. Medyo umuki na yung panahon kung saan kami umuwi, saka siya umuki. So ayan, yung road na yan guys is one way lang, so we need to wait sa side para makadaan yung isang sasakyan. Kailangan naming mag-stop. So, yung makikita nyong white beach dyan guys is beach yan siya ng Sandor. Nandito kami ngayon sa Sandoy Island guys. So, Sandoy Island meron siyang 6 villages. Skopon, Sandor, Hosavoik, Skalavoik, and Dalor. So, dito sa Sandor, yung mga farmer guys, mahilig silang magtanim. So, minsan nagtatanim sila ng carrots, potato, at saka iba pa. So, ayan, kaya makikita nyo yung kapaligiran dito banda sa Sandor, medyo green siya. And dito mo rin makikita yung pinakamalaking lake dito sa Sandoy Islands, kung saan din marami ding taong nagfi-fishing dyan guys, pero we decided na yun nga, mag-fishing kami doon sa ibabaw ng mountain kasi medyo walang maraming nagfi-fishing doon kasi kailangan mo pang mag-hike. So yes guys, pauwi na kami and we are approaching Skopon, the first village na kung saan ka sasakay ng ferry papunta sa syudad. So nandito yung bahay ng mother-in-law ko, so yung hometown ni Mister. So mayroon ng ongoing tunnel guys, so soon hindi na kami mag-ferry. So this is our catch guys, ayan, we got 9 fish. So, ayan, fresh from the nature. Thank you so much guys for watching and hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next one. Bye for now guys. Take care. Be safe.